Hi guys, it's Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about how to install the Slavens Mule Easy Emissions Removal Kit. And I'm sorry I don't have a good example here of all the emissions items because this is my bike I'm using for this demonstration, and I took the stuff off a long time ago and I didn't save every single piece. I saved these hoses and this little pump device. So what the kit's, the emissions removal is super simple. All you basically do is remove all those hoses, this pump piece, and then there's another piece on the other side of the bike I'll show you in a minute. So this piece originally went right there. It's just a little vacuum pump. And we remove that and install this. Two sealing washers and an Allen bolt. And it goes right there where the pump came off. There's another little hole next to it, a 6mm threaded hole, and that does not, it bottoms, so there's no need to fill that hole. It does not have any air coming out of it. This hole goes right into the exhaust port, so you have to block that off. So that's all there is to installing our kit, is just that, removing that pump piece and installing that bolt and two washers. We have the kit with a dongle and a kit without the dongle, so you can buy just the bolt and washer, or you can buy that with the dongle. And the dongle is just to keep an air light from going off on your dash. The bike still runs fine without it, if you don't mind the everything. So this is the dongle right here, just this piece. It plugs into the harness here. And then the piece that this connected to originally sat right here. It was bolted on here. There was a metal brace here, and I believe it was a cylindrical device that sat right in here. And I don't even remember what the hell it's for, but anyhow, it is part of the emissions. You just take that off, unplug it. And I just took the harness and I just tucked the harness back up in here and zip tied it onto the other harness, and then I just tucked it in right back in there. Just stick it in there, and now it's good to go. Sorry, I'm just doing this by myself, so it's not very good. But hopefully it gets the job done for you. So basically this is the kit. There's a lot of kits out there. They're 30, 40, 50, 60 bucks with plates and widgets and this and that. Guys just want to say garbage. Totally unnecessary. If you've been following my videos at all, you know that that's not the way I roll. I like to keep it simple and keep it reasonably priced and offer things that are fair to the consumer. So this kit, I don't even know what it's going to cost yet. I think it's going to be like 10 or 12 bucks. I've had a really hard time finding these bolts. I had to get them out of Europe. They were a little pricey, but just a bolt and a couple of washers, it's going to be around that $10, $12 range, I think. And that's all there is to it. It fits the 17, 18, 19 KTM 450 and 500 EXCF. And the 17, 18, 19 Husqvarna 450 and 501 FE models. That's all for now.